Tired of a plain, dull garden? It's time to make a splash! Introducing our landscape design service, dedicated to transforming your outdoor space into a true masterpiece. And guess what? We offer a free consultation and quotation. Just imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a mesmerizing fish pond filled with vibrant colors and graceful fish. It's like having your own personal gateway right at home. Our team of experts will guide you through the process, ensuring your vision comes to life. From concept to installation, we've got you covered. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our delighted customers have to say about their transformed garden. Whether you prefer a serene retreat or a lively outdoor oasis, our modern and minimalist design will suit your taste, elevate your home's aesthetics. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your garden's beauty. Contact us today for a free consultation and let the magic begin.